morning, everybody. I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's our little yellow belly slider turtle. He's actually sleeping, hanging out in the van. But today, we're right here in like South San Francisco this morning. And we've got an extra little treat for you guys. We actually contacted Nate of Element Van Life. And we actually met up with him in New Orleans probably, well, 2 Januaries ago. So like a year and a half ago, we met up with him when we were traveling through New Orleans and he was there. But today we're on the other side of the country in San Francisco, and he's been stationed here for just about a month or so. And we were in the area, decided to meet up. So this morning we actually we boondocked right outside of this Safeway parking lot and our Anytime Fitness.
There were other van dwellers in the parking lot as well, so that made it easy.
It did make it nice to have other people in. And I think this Safeway actually on I-Overlander allows people to stay here for one night. So we took advantage of that. Yep. Now we got our shower, and we're actually going to head over to a cool park. This park's new to the 3 of us. None of us have ever been there before, so we're going to go there and hang out today, meet back up with Nate from Element Van Life, maybe do a tour of his new rig. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but enjoy the day with good company, and I think that's all that matters, right? So, all right, guys, let's get in the van, get the day started. Well, guys, we just got to the park. Nate's parked right beside us. So let's get out, hang out for a minute. We'll get the camera going. Well, guys, we're actually hanging out right here with Nate from Element Van Life. He was nice enough to cook us up some food right here in his Instapot. He's actually, if you don't know, head over to his channel if you haven't checked him out. I'm sure you have, but he's got this cool Nissan Envy here. It's amazing with the pop top. And what company was that from again?
GTRV.
GTRV, and you're super happy with that, right?
Oh, it's been awesome.
All right, but he's cooking. He only uses an Instapot to cook, and I know you guys know that a bunch of other van lifers are using these Instapots and loving them. So he whipped up a broccoli little dish for us. So we're gonna have some fun. Actually, we're gonna have some fun, but we're actually gonna eat some food, have some fun, hang out for the day. There's a beautiful view up there. I'm going to look around his van. He's going to look around ours and just have a good day.
I'm just playing the Pokemon thing. That's good.
Okay, guys. Well, looks like Element Van Life has a new sticker. We actually have his old sticker, but he doesn't have one of our stickers, but he will today. So we're getting one of his new ones, and he's getting our sticker. So if you don't...
It's like trading for Pokemon. That's better than ours. Two for one.
There you go. Well, we'll hang it up next to your other sticker. Thanks a lot, Nate. Well, after some nice lunch here, Nate's been nice enough to show me his new rig, his brand new 2017 MV 200, right? Yeah. MV 200. It's amazing, guys. It has a beautiful little build on the inside. Got the full-size mattress, table, nice place where you can sit here and render 4K editing all day with the solar to match it. He's got an amazing... You want to talk about your little your little what is it called? Your power bank, your power supply.
Kodiak, yeah.
It's called the Kodiak. I just couldn't figure out what the name of it was. So, but he's using the Kodiak. Basically, is his whole solar setup, guys. He's powering it with a 175 watt solar panel, but it does all of your needs. You're able to run your laptop all day and your refrigerator without a problem, right?
Yeah, I mean, as long as the sun's out.
Of course. That's the most important thing. Yeah. But let's look inside, check out this cool rig. Maybe you can get some ideas for your next build from this. We're gonna kind of show you guys how he breaks down the bed. I'm sure all of you are wondering, where does he sleep? If you want to see more of Nate here, head over to his channel, Element Van Life. I'm sure you guys already know who he is, but if you don't, please go over there and show him a little love. Let him know Van Life Sheldon's Travels sent you. Look at that. Got a twin bed. An actual bed. I mean, that's pretty nice. And, of course, keeps the guitar nice and safe on the side for all those late night campfire jam sessions, right?
All the time. Not too often.
And on this side, he's got all of his storage. If you don't know, Nate's a pretty big minimalist, even more than us, but he actually cooks all of his meals with an Instapot. Works great. Has a Dometic CF18 over there. Yep. Works great. And of course, the pop top just makes it amazing. You might want to check out one of these for your rig if you have a Nissan. Trying to talk this company into maybe making one for the Ram, guys. Wouldn't it be nice to have a nice pop top like this on the Ram Promaster? Why don't you give these guys a call and bug them every day, and maybe they'll give us one. So, but thanks, Nate, for showing us around. Thanks for meeting up with us, and we'll just keep hanging out. I think we're gonna head up the hill here in a few minutes. Well, Nate's showing us how he closes this up. Tucks the little tent inside. Really interesting. Look at that. And now you're back to a regular van again. No one knows any difference. Check that out. Pretty nice, guys. Pretty darn nice. Well, guys, Nate's actually doing a little video of our van. You'll see that on his channel coming up. He's doing some B-roll, and we did a little interview, which was super nice of him to do for us. We greatly appreciate any YouTuber that does a little tour of our van and interview. It helps us out a lot, and we greatly appreciate him doing that for us. Well, no afternoon would be complete without figuring out what's over that hill over there. So we're going to pack up some camera gear, make our way up this completely vertical climb straight up, right?
It's a pretty steep hill.
So you went up there before we got here, right? This morning. So he was hanging out. But we're going to go up there, and we're going to see what's up there, because I want to see up there, and maybe you want to see up there too. And like always, we got to bring you with us, so let's head up the hill, guys.
Let's go check it out.
You gonna stay here? I guess you're gonna stay here in San Francisco. We're gonna go on, but you're gonna stay here. Part of the ocean, part of the bay. What we're looking at, guys, is part of the marshy area of the bay, I think. Beautiful. It's even more interesting going down because
I suggested rolling.
Nobody liked the rolling of Stephanie's idea, but this is basically when I talk about proper foot attire. You know, I'm the only one wearing proper foot attire, so I just have to chuckle about it. But I'm pretty sure we'll make it down the hill safe. And you know what? I'd like to say a little shout out to Craig Bates. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate everything you do. And you were right. We did meet up with Element. Nate, you guessed it. Don't hurt yourself on film. Well, it's been an amazing day just hanging out here with Nate. Thank you so much for making us lunch. Went on a cute little hike up to see the city. Not a huge view of the city, but good enough. It's been a beautiful day in the lower in like mid 70s, lower 80s today. It's been awesome. And we just want to thank each and every one of you. We want to thank Nate for meeting up with us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
There's more content on Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.
Thanks for watching.
We're going to find some free boondocking in the area. You'll see that in the morning.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.